Hi, welcome back on the What Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add the picture into your contacts in the Samsung A71. To this operation, go to your phone now and search for contacts. Search contacts which you want to edit. I'm gonna choose one of my contacts here, click I, and here you can tap on the picture logo, and you can choose from already exist logo from Samsung. You can choose the image from the gallery or choose the camera if you want to take the photo of person which you want to have into your contact. And for now we're gonna go to my gallery, choose one of the picture of the person, done, and save it. And as you see, we have a new picture from our contact here, and that's it for now. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!